So this video is on UI UX. So we're going to use Marvel on this UI UX. So the question is why we want to do that, because we wanted to have a feel first before we go to coding. Okay. So the first thing is you need to go to is this web-based application. So you need to go to this Marvel app. Okay, so what you need to do is Marvel. Okay, so first thing is that you need to uh, log in to the Marvel. Before you start, you have to this insert. You have to create a user. Okay, for yourself first. So this is the page that you need to create a user. Okay, so there are few things that you need to do. A few things that you can do: a shortcut like Control Z to undo, Control C, Control V to cut and paste, or you can use arrow key. So it looks a bit like this PowerPoint. Okay, so create a project first. The first thing you need to do, but because of this free software, you are only allowed to do one. So I suppose that when you create a project, so the prototype, so this is the one, so the pro will be you need to pay. So for this case, we don't really have to worry about that. Then we just use the free one to create a project. Okay. So this is the one that I've created. So let me see. I can just let me remove first. Then we can start from scratch on this Marvel. Okay. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to create a project here. Then this is the prototype. So I just call maybe first UI UX. Okay, so create a project. Okay, so you are here. So you can use some sample, or you can just start designing from scratch. So for this case, just going to show you. So we just start designing from scratch. And you probably can also see from here. So this is the creator project. So your project name, you are here. Then after that, you can just start designing. So there's altogether 3 canvas here, here, and here. So later you're going to add some title here. So the main important thing is this button. And this project, I'm going to call it first UI UX, right? So you have a few things here. So assuming usually the first menu, let's say, is a login menu. So what you can do is you can try to search login, see whether it's anything. Sign in overlay, okay. So assuming you take okay, so this will be your first project. And then after that, you can just open it here. So this is your sign in. So of course, this one you can have an email, password, etc. Okay, so this will be your first images. So you can just close it if you like to. So of course you can add the second images. So after you successfully sign in, probably you want him to go to main page. So add another one. So again, this time you're going to do a main page here. So a main page, a landing page. Let me see what is a good one. So you can just search again, landing page, main page, see if anything. Okay, let's see what. So you should go through all these things to see which one is the favorite. Okay, so of course there's a left button. Also there's a top button if you like to. So it depends on individual. So let me try to find something that is more useful after you sign in. Hey, maybe just want to do something like this. Say, for example, you may want to have something like that. Okay. So this is example that you wanted to have. So this is some of the wording that you want. So for example, you want to change this uh, field. You can just double click. You can just click here. What you can do is that you can ungroup first. Then you can click, say, for example, you can put welcome to uh, our new platform. Okay, so this is something that you can do. So to have a field, then this of course you can delete if you don't like to. So say for example, if you don't like this thing, so you can just delete it. Okay, so I'm quite sure you can delete it easily. Okay, so you can just delete it. So just in case, so it's up to you how you want to do it. So let's close it, and then we should have two images here. Okay, so now so the next step is we want to link them together, right? So when you want to link them together, okay, so these are the few things: the block menu, the aesthetic panel, so you can change the size. So this is the one that the second image you wanted to, and then after that, you need to link them together. So these are the few things that you can do. Then to link them together, what you need to do is to link them together, you need to click prototype. Then from here you can click the box here. Then you can go to image 2. After that, okay, so you are done. So now this is linked to this. Okay, so you can actually play back. So after you key in your email address and password, you click sign in, then you should go to your new platform. Okay, so this is a short video to get you started, so you may need to explore yourself for the rest. Thank you for watching.